I'm Jennifer, and I'm here with Alan, and we are so excited because tonight we are getting ready to do our annual drive around our neighborhood and look at all of the beautiful Christmas lights. We do it every year, and it's so much fun. And then we come home and have some wonderful hot chocolate and some sugar cookies. So we're really glad you're here because we want to take you along and show you all of the beautiful Christmas lights around our neighborhood. Before we go out to look at our Christmas lights, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Alan and I just got home from looking at all of the beautiful Christmas lights in the neighborhood. Everyone decorated so nicely and everything was so beautiful. Now it's time for some hot chocolate and some homemade sugar cookies.